Okay. Ano pala dito? Reminder, paki-videohan habang binubuksan. Kapal po ang bubble wrap niya. Ayan. Ligaya. Maligayang Pasko. Ligaya Supremo. Ito na.
Nope.
Ay, may babala. May babala pa. Daming dami. Wow. Wow. Gig bag. Kapal ang padding. Free strap. Cable na may picks sa loob. Cable. Allen wrenches. Tremolo bar. Angel. Ito na. Ito na. Ito na. Yes. Ligaya guitars. I hope he didn't fail me. Wow! Wow! Ang pogi! Inspect. Okay. Aligned. Not filed. Tuners. Good. Walang cracks. Malinis paint job.
Tugtog na.
Walang tunog to. Push-pull. Meron. Okay, working. Okay. Wala. Malinis. Trend seems to be working. Knobs, okay. 5-way switch. Goods! Setup na rin Mababa yung action. Hi Angel. You like my new guitar? Alder.
Pain.
Roasted maple neck. Stainless steel frets. Ito, ibang klase yung string trees niya. Rolling siya. Wow! HSS. 2-point trim. Open natin yung likod. Cool! Ito po ang likod. Ibang klase yung trim block niya. Dami ng space.
Ayan.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, parents. Very nice. Thank you, Ligaya Guitars.
Asa yung Ligaya.